Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to replace product and product category from URLs in WooCommerce. This is a great way to customize your store's URL structure, making it cleaner and more brand-friendly for your customers. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary settings. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll see a variety of options for managing your WordPress site. From here, click on Settings. This will expand to reveal additional options that control how your site functions. Among these options, you'll want to click on Permalinks. The Permalinks section is where WordPress lets you control the structure of all your URLs, including those for your WooCommerce products and categories. Once you're in the Permalinks settings, the process becomes pretty straightforward. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Product Category Base. This is the field that determines what appears in your URLs before the actual category name. By default, WooCommerce might use something like Product Category, but you can change this to anything you prefer. Simply click into the URL field next to Product Category Base and type in your desired text. For example, you might want to use something shorter like Shop or Category, or even leave it blank for a cleaner look. After you've made your changes and customized the URL to your liking, make sure to click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This will apply your new URL structure across your entire WooCommerce store. Keep in mind that it might take a moment for the changes to fully process, so give it a few seconds before navigating away from the page. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce product category URLs to better fit your store's branding and structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.